looking at a wonderful email right now from John Vega. Phearable Stage 2 Street and Race Throttle Mapping. He sent me 2 new revisions for the Phearable Stage 2 tune for the Civic Type R. This is on 93. In this video, I'm going to be uploading the street version and trying that out on the street with my draggy here. I'm going to try to find a good spot where I can get a 30 to 100. I haven't done that yet since I tuned my Type R. Let's go over this email. I'm really excited about this one. For the street revision, first and second gears are configured to output less power than the race mapping at full throttle, thus helping traction. And then for the race revision, first and second gears are much more aggressive. Holy crap, if they're more aggressive than they are now, I honestly don't really see any reason for me to use the race one right now. Third through sixth have slightly more aggressive torque requests at partial throttle. Holy smokes. These revisions have been available since February 1st for Honda only, and if you guys currently have the Stage 2 tune and you want your tune revised for either the street or race versions, you can purchase that tune revision on Phearable.net. I'll have a link to this in the description. Side note, the same options are available for the Phearable Stage 3 Flex Fuel tune, which I still have not tried. Dude, John sent me the file for that like 6 months ago. Oh my god. I already downloaded it onto my awful Toshiba laptop here, but it gets the job done. This is the first time I've plugged in my Honda Flash Pro in I don't know how long. Let's see if it goes green. Oh, I should probably put the car in accessory mode. Please switch the ignition off. Oh my god, dude, I'm excited. So the first time I did a 30 to 100 with the draggy, I did that with Sergio back in California. This car did it in 9 point something seconds. I think we can get that down into like the 7.5s, upper 7 seconds. Oh my god. I haven't driven this car in a week, which is also terrible. Let's see if the Honda app still works. So now I just have to remember intake, air temp, frig. Okay, great, I just Googled it. IET2 is the Phearable high volume intake. Intake air temp is reading the temperature that's in the charge pipe coming straight out of the intercooler. 79 degrees here in Riverview, oh my god, that's awful. Riverview, Florida. I'm so used to saying California. So on May 1st, 2021, the Type R did 30 to 100 in 9.22 seconds. I've been driving the BRZ because I'm trying to get used to it. I'm trying to get better at, you know, shifting and stuff like that. But every time I come back to this one, man, there's just no comparison between the quality of the shifter, the transmission. Like, Honda absolutely knocked it out of the park with this car. And the SI too. It's only been 20 minutes since I flashed the tune, and what I noticed right away is that all the lights went away almost immediately, like within, I don't know, a minute, which is pretty impressive because from what I remember, they can take upwards of like 45 minutes to an hour. Oh my god, this car is perfect. It's perfect. Oh, there's a cop. Hey. What's up, my guy? Is that guy getting pulled over? That guy's definitely getting pulled over. Damn, he's getting pulled over right there? It's kind of a inconvenient spot to get pulled over, man. Oh. Got a couple of hombres in there. Let's go, bud. These guys are being cock blockers right now. I have been trying to find a spot with no traffic for an extremely long time. Here we go. Come on, baby. Alright, let's go. Holy smokes. Alright. I'm gonna try it in different modes. So that one was in sport mode. I noticed that it took a little longer for the turbo to fully spool, which might be the reason that it, you know, did a better job getting traction. Although I did see my traction control kick on just for a split second. That felt really good though. That was second gear as well, and obviously I still need to do a first gear pull. But I mean, if traction still kicked in second gear, I mean, it's definitely gonna kick on for first gear. My 30 to 100 was 8.31 seconds. So, I mean, it didn't go down all that much. I'm pretty confident I can get that below 8 seconds if I try it again. I'm gonna do it in R mode next time as well. Definitely going down. Is this a smart idea? Absolutely not. Nope. Traffic is coming up on my ass. Friggin' A, dude. I'm in R mode. Let's get down to like 22. Let's try it again. Difference between sport and R mode. 8.43. You serious? It's kind of messed up, dude. I thought it was gonna break 8 seconds. Maybe it was the loss of traction. I don't know. Now I just sound like I'm making excuses. I'll shut up. Let's try a first to second gear pull. I'm gonna put the window down for this one. Yeah, baby. Let's give her a shot. Oh my god, this thing is nuts! Holy crap! The way it kicked when I put it into second, this is bonkers. I don't know, boys. On these not too good Mexican roads, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get the kind of traction I want. I know it's been 11 or 12 days at this point since I last posted a video. I don't really have any excuses anymore. I'm just a lazy piece of shit. Dude, R mode, even the downshifts, it kicks a little harder than sport mode. Oh, it's like instant. Second. I love this car to death. Yo, yo, yo. It's the next day. Man, I felt so good last night. I had like an endorphin rush after I recorded, well, the first half of the video that you guys just saw. I need to not ever take another 12 days off again. That's ridiculous. To end this video, I thought this would be a good time to show you guys the stats on the car when it's actually warm out. So it's 86 degrees here in Tampa, Florida today. My intercooler temp cruising at 66 miles an hour is 122 degrees. Not bad at all. Air intake is 98. Coolant is at a very healthy 179. So Brandon Levon is coming down tomorrow. He's coming down to film a couple videos with his BRZ. I might flash the Type R back to stock and give the people what they want, even though we already know what the outcome is going to be. Or, I don't know, we might not know if we do a dig. I mean, I'm trash at launching cars, especially the front wheel drive ones. We'll most likely make that video, and then we have a few other things planned. It'll be a fun day. It'll be a fun couple videos. Yo, what am I doing in comfort? What am I, a little bitch or something? Oh, you know, I really wonder, having this car for the rest of my life, or until, you know, like gasoline is not available to run in vehicles. I wonder how many engines I'll end up going through. I really wonder that sometimes. I'm at a cool 20,460 miles right now. And I mean, the car's immaculate. Doesn't sputter, I mean, the clutch is still great. It's really bothering me that I couldn't get below 8 seconds for that 3100 though. This is what I'm talking about though. The traffic here is abominable. I'm still, I don't know. I'm still happy to be in Florida though. It's just the traffic is horrendous. Okay, well there's an accident on that side. Dude, there's always something here. Literally, always an accident. Always somebody pulled over. My God, just calm the frig down, people. Calm down. This is what happens after I go 12 days without recording a video. I just want to rant about stuff. Oh, frig. Dude, I would hate to be on that side of the highway right now. I would hate that. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.